More than a month after a U.S. court announced its verdict in favor of Johnny Depp in his defamation trial against ex-wife Amber Heard, the actress filed a notice to appeal against the judgment that directed her to pay $10.35 million to him. She was held responsible for defaming Depp through a 2018 op-ed in the Washington Post, in which she described herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse. But now, instead of confirming her appeal, she's applying monkey tactics so as to drag the appeal and further delay paying Depp. So what is it that Amber is doing that is slowing up things? Let's find out. It was clear that Amber Heard would appeal the verdict the moment Johnny Depp won his defamation case against her. There was the matter of money. The Fairfax County, Virginia jury that heard their case awarded the Pirates of the Caribbean actor more than $10 million, which Amber reportedly just doesn't have and is doing everything to delay the appeal so that she doesn't pay. Then there was the matter of settling a precedent. Amber's decision to fight the verdict is also rooted in the principle of their legal dispute. Depp convinced a jury that their acrimonious split several years prior to this op-ed, during which a photo of Amber's bruised face appeared on the cover of People, made it clear she was referring to him. Throughout the 6-week trial, which aired on Court TV, TikTok, and various live streams, Depp insisted that he was not abusive, which he claimed meant that her op-ed pointing to him was false and defamatory. The Oscar nominee claimed he lost millions in movie earnings because of her allegations. Amber, who countersued her ex-flame, contended that he abused her physically and emotionally throughout their tumultuous relationship and claimed that his denials harmed her reputation and career. In the end, Amber did win $2 million at the trial over a statement that Depp's lawyer Adam Waldman made to the press, claiming that an alleged fight between her and Depp was a hoax. For the Justice League star, an appeal reflects her insistence that her allegations of abuse are true. An appeal also provides an opportunity for Amber's case to be argued more thoroughly on First Amendment grounds, at least going by what her lawyer said. But it seems all these were pranks. Indeed, the opportunity for Amber's team to argue that she has a constitutional right to speak her mind about abuse was almost entirely lost in the made-for-tabloid mudslinging. Her team announced on August 15, 2022, that she had retained attorneys David Axelrod and J. Ward Brown of Ballard Spahr to helm her appeal. Axelrod and Brown were on the legal team that helped the New York Times best Sarah Palin in her 2017 defamation lawsuit against the paper. One of Amber's leading trial attorneys, Ben Rottenborn, remains on the actress's legal team. Elaine Bredehoft, who also helmed Amber's defense, is leaving. Several attorneys have said that they don't think Amber has a good chance of winning her appeal, and it seems she knows that too. One said that an apparent shift toward focusing on the First Amendment is happening only after Amber's other efforts to fight the verdict failed. It makes sense that she's using legal experts on First Amendment rights as her last resort. The problem with this, in my opinion, is the timing of it all, the legal expert clarified. The appeals court is limited when it comes to deciding on issues that weren't brought up extensively at trial. They can only look at what happened at the lower court proceedings to see whether there was a legal error. This is a huge burden, but it explains why Amber hired a new team to comb through her extensive trial with fresh eyes. They might be able to pull a needle out of a haystack to find any harmful error. The timing isn't great for Amber, though. First Amendment appeals attorneys weren't around a trial objecting to Judge Penny Asker's decisions, meaning there might not be that much they can meaningfully bring up now. Amber knows that too well, and she's doing everything in her power to delay the appeal as she figures out how to collect money to pay Depp. Remember, this information is based on theories and opinions, and therefore shouldn't be considered facts. And that's it from us today. Until next time, bye!